Question 2. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by un is equal to 15 minus 3n. Part A asks us to state the value of the first term u1. Right, okay, so let's highlight or underline this expression that we're given at the top for the nth term. And yeah, let's highlight this bit. So u1. So for this, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in sub n equals 1 into the equation un is equal to 15 minus 3n. Right, and so that's going to give us un, beg your pardon, u1, because n is equal to 1. u1 is equal to 15 minus 3 times by 1, which just equals 15 minus 3, which is going to be 12. All right, and so then, yeah, we can put over here, therefore, u1 is equal to 12. Lovely. Okay, let's move on to part B. So, given that the nth term of the sequence is negative 33, we've got to find the value of n. Okay, so we're told that un is equal to negative 33 and got to backtrack. So essentially doing the opposite to what we did in part A. We've been given what the value of u or the nth term, and we've got to unravel it essentially. So what we're going to do is say let un equal negative 33 and rearrange for n. Okay, so we're going to let un equal negative 33. So negative 33 is equal to 15 minus 3n. Okay, so from here, what I'm going to do is, first of all, I will, let's subtract 15 from both sides, all right? And then that's going to give me negative 48 over here is equal to negative 3n. And then next, I'm going to divide by negative 3. And then that's going to give me what we got. 16 is equal to n. All right, and then that is our answer there. Okay, so n is equal to 16. All right, let's move on to part C. Okay, find the common difference, D. Okay, so to help us out with this one, we're going to bring over, or I'm going to write down the nth term formula, which is given in your formula booklet for an arithmetic sequence. It's good to get familiar with this one. Though it is given to you in that formula booklet. And it is as follows. un is equal to u1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so we don't know d, but there are a few things that we do know, okay? We know that u1 is equal to, as we found at the top, 12, okay? Equally, we know that u16 is equal to negative 33. So I could plug in n is equal to 16 into this formula that we've got here and sort of unravel it to find d. I hope you don't mind the term unravel. Rearrange perhaps would be more familiar. So yeah, let's go and do that. So substitute n is equal to 16. And so we'll have u16 is equal to, in fact, let's write this in. Let's write this in. We'll go, this is going to give us in fact, we'll go into blue. u16 is equal to u1 plus 16 minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so now plug in the values that we know. So we know u16 is negative 33. We know u1 is 12. we can sort of solve 16 minus 1, which is going to be 15. So 15D. All right. And so then from here, my first protocol will be to subtract 12 from both sides. Let's do that. So bring this down here and say subtract 12. And so negative 33 subtract 12 is going to give me negative 45. So negative 45 is equal to 15D. It's not overly accurate, my arrow there, but anyway, okay. And then my next step is going to be to divide both sides by 15, and then that will get rid of the 15 from the right hand side, from the common difference from the D, and so that's going to give me negative 45 over 15 is equal to D, and then we can conclude, therefore D is equal to negative 3. And then that is the answer, full answer to part 2, question 2, beg your pardon.